Hi guys, welcome to our new abode. Please have a look at our house.
Hi, my name is Vinayak Kulkarni.
Hi, my name is Tarun Kulkarni.
And I am Pratima. I always had it in my mind that I want a blue color sofa and blue color jhoola and these things. When I discussed with the designer, she showed how actually the house will look. Every tiny part was taken care very well, and they were all shown in the 3D design, whether they are fitting well to the room and all.
Arrangement which has been come through from the Livspace, they have made it so subtle and so nice for us to live in, and it is very peaceful. I'm enjoying it, and it will give us a lot of stress-free environment when I come home.
She helped in choosing the cot which is appropriate to the master bedroom according to our theme. Also the kalasam on the puja room. Every tiny part was taken care very well.
I like my space and my room because it has home for every little thing, and every little detail has been looked into perfectly. Me and my family have built this house with a lot of passion and a lot of things that are close and dear to us. It's such a comfortable place to me and a nice place to live in.
Favorite spot for both of us actually. So every day in the morning we compulsorily have our tea or coffee sitting in the balcony.
Welcome to the theatre room of our house. Here we have set up a TV and a surround speaker system. Every weekend me and my family we sit here and we watch our favorite movies.
So yeah, definitely we will recommend Livspace to all our friends. Once again, a big thank you to Livspace team.